وہ ان کو آرام سے سن نہیں پا رہے.
الیکشن کیسے ہوا, کس طرح پینل بنے.
ہم آپ سے بات نہیں کر رہے ہیں, ٹھیک, یا تو علی ظفر صاحب کو کہیں وہ میرے وکیل نہیں ہیں, پھر آپ کو سنیں گے.
وہ تو ٹھیک ہے,
آپ تسلی رکھیں نا,
کلیریفیکیشن ہوگی تو
تسلی رکھیے نا. ایسے تو آپ کو یہ سینئر وکیل ایسے تو نہ کریں نا. علی ظفر صاحب آپ سے نہیں پوچھا ہے کچھ, ہم ان سے پوچھ رہے ہیں. ہم آپ سے نہیں پوچھ رہے ہیں, آپ کے وکیل سے پوچھ رہے ہیں.
کہہ رہے ہیں سر, تو ہم اگر نئے چہرے کا آئے ہیں تو پارٹی میں 2006 سے آپ یہ باتیں مجھے, میں ساری باتیں میں تو
آئی اپولوجائز سر, یہ ایکچولی ہوتا ہی ہے.
غصہ سنا ہے, میں نے 3 سال جناب کے سامنے پیش ہوا ہوں, وہ ساری چیزیں مجھے پتا ہے کہ میں میرے ساتھ اس طرح کیوں ہوا, یہ مجھے پتا ہے.
Mr. Ali Zafar, shall we issue notice?
Sir, I apologize.
If this is the way, fine.
No, I don't think it is the way. This is not.
اب بیٹھ جائیے گا, کوئی بات نہیں, آپ سے کلیریفیکیشن.
We are not even asking him anything.
پوچھ لیں گے آپ سے.
I mean, if he, this just show, what can I say?
نہیں, I think
میں نے تو ایسے, میرا بیٹا جناب کے پاس انٹرویو کے لیے آیا ہے, آپ نے اس سے بھی PTI کے کوشچن پوچھے ہیں, لا کلرک کے, مجھے پتا ہے سارا.
Mr. Ali Zafar, I shouldn't say this, but since this is being live broadcast, I have to. I would have no clue whether he has any son if he ever appeared before me. Okay, so him making an allegation of the nature that he just did is extremely inappropriate. If you want to reduce the dignity of this court, please go and do so. If you want to destroy every institution in Pakistan, please do so. But he's not relenting. He is going on. If we are going to get up. Okay, fine, we've heard the case. We will conclude matters then. This is not a way.
I think
we are hearing you with patience. I know we have a question. We put it to you.
Yes, it's going on so well, and I'm enjoying myself. In fact, arguing before this court.
I may agree with you or may disagree with you.
وہ تو بالکل
certain question of law تو ہم نے آپ سے پوچھے ہیں, نہ پوچھیں تو پھر
that is the way it should be. That is, in fact, since we are live, this is the way people should learn how to argue and counter argue.
We want to. You've always been a very professional lawyer before us. You have appeared always before. We know your affiliation with a political party. Have we ever discriminated against you? I don't know. I mean, you brought a petition with a whole election. And you have never put your party, whenever you come to court, you act as a counsel.
Yes.
At least that's my opinion.
That's exactly how I want to.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've always found you very professional in your, sometimes I'm sure I've decided cases against you. You win some, you lose some, that's besides the point. I think we'll maybe take a break at this juncture. Zara aap bhi zara kuch zara mein khayal mein have a cold drink or something. Not you, but if you don't ask a question, how will you understand a case?
Meri taraf se to I'm actually thoroughly enjoying this thing, and I think people are learning how a court and a lawyer should actually discuss and debate a case. So I think this is a great opportunity. I'm very unfortunate that this happened. It is very unfortunate that this happened.
Half an hour break, lunch break करने?
ठीक है sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
हाँ, half an hour.
Time बता दीजिए.
Half an hour. Thank you.
So, 1 minute.
Thank you sir.